Now we will put this like this way. The light color will be on the bottom and the dark color will be on the top. And we put the new line, which I use about like 2 feet of the line. And I put in the middle, dark color in the middle. Also, I put black marker in the left side of the line, as always. Okay, now, in the marker end, I will put 4 of the light color. One more. And crisscross with the clear end in this last one. And pull. The way to make it even, you put these 2 ends together and pull down to the bottom like this. So right now it's this way. 4 light color in here. Okay, and now the marker end we will put into the next bead, which is the beads on the top of the body. So it's this is the next bead on the top of the body, like this. Okay, and pull. So you will get this 1 light color and 1 dark color in the line. In a clear end, we will put 1 light color and 2 dark color. And crisscross with the marker end and pull. Again, when you pull together, you will know what is the next bead, but the next bead means the next bead on the top of the body that you attach the head. So you put clear end into this next bead. So when you pull, you will know this is the next bead that I mean. Okay, and the next bead have to be on the top, that it attached between the head and the body. So right now you have two beads in the line. In the marker end, you will put 3 of the dark color. And crisscross with the clear end into the last bead and pull. So marker end will put into the next bead on the top, which is this one. So right now again we have 2 dark color in this line. Now in the clear end, we will put 3 of the dark color. And crisscross with the marker end into this last bead. Now marker clear end we'll put in the next bead. So again we will have 2 beads dark color in the line. In a marker end we will have to put 3 of the dark color. And crisscross with the clear end into the last bead. And pull. So this time gonna be the last section, which you will put this marker end into next 2 beads. One will be on the top of the body, which is the last one of the dark color on the top of the body, and the other one is on the light color up top. So right now I have to squeeze a little bit to make it easier for me to put the line through. So this is the light color on the top, which is next to the body. And after that pull and make it tight. This line. Okay. Now to end this last section in clear end, we will put 1 dark color and 1 light color in. And crisscross with the marker end in this light color and pull. So now we end this section. Also don't forget to put this light clear end into this next bead, which is light color. Like this. So right now we have 2 light color in the line. Now next in the marker end we will put 4 of the light color one more and crisscross with the clear end into this last bead. Pull. Now you will get like this. And marker end we will put into next 2 beads, which are light color, and 1 more. So right now we have 3 light color in the line. Clear end will put 3 of the light color. And 1 more. And crisscross with the marker end. In this last bead and pull. So right now you will see like this. Now this clear end will put in next 2 beads, which both are dark color. One here and another one next to it. Okay, right now you will have these 3 beads. One will be light color, another 2 will be dark color in the line. Now in a marker end, we will put 3 of the dark color. One more. And crisscross with the clear end into the last bead and pull. Again, this marker end you will put into next 2 beads. Both will be dark color. One and one more next to it. So right now you have 3 of the dark color in the line. Next, in the clear end, we will put 3 of the dark color. And crisscross with the marker end. And pull. Clear end you will put into next 2 beads. And one more next to it. So right now again we will have 3 dark color in this line. Now in the marker end, you will put another 3 of the dark color. One more. And crisscross with clear end into this last bead and pull. Okay, right now we come to the last section. So we will put this marker end into next 3 beads next to it or next to each other. So 2 will be dark color and we put in the next one in the light color, and this is, you will see the 3 beads in a line. No, 4 beads. You will see 4 beads in the line, and 3 will be dark color and 1 will be light color. And to end this section, in the clear end we will put 1 of the dark color. And crisscross with the marker end and pull. And after that, clear end we'll put into the next bead, which is light color, and this is the one. So right now you finish this section, and you will see that you will have 2 beads in there. 1 will be dark color and 1 will be light color.